Hello, I'm Annie Sloan and I'm the inventor of chalk paint. I'm here today with Bell Hutley, who is one of my painters in residence. I love to support people who are using my paint in different and creative ways.
Hi, I'm Bell Hutley, an artist and designer from London, and this is my Annie Sloan and Vinterior collection. What defines this collection is nature and bringing nature indoors, flowers and vines and all those sorts of things. I want it to be a very joyful, uplifting collection full of colour and fun detail. My approach varies from piece to piece for sure. For example, this piece is inspired by Joseph Frank, who was an artist in the 40s, and I used him as a reference and added my own little elements in that. And then this piece was very much just go with the flow and created the orange tree and then added the birds in, and it kind of just built up a bit more freehand.
For me, painted finishes are always timeless because, you look at something like Bell's piece that she's done, and it's a piece from the 1940s that she's been inspired by, and yet it's still here and it doesn't look old-fashioned, it doesn't look wrong. You look at lots of folk painted pieces from around the world and they have just such great life in them and they don't feel outdated. It just always looks cohesive and fantastic.
I choose colours very easily when I have a plethora of Annie Sloan paints in front of me, but I usually want a softer base as a starting point, and then I layer bolder paints, the bolder colours, as I go, having more of a zing.
Colour plays a huge role in painted furniture. It can be the star of the whole show, so everything could be in beiges and creams, and then you paint different bits of furniture in various blues, bringing the whole thing together and looking fantastic. Or it can provide the sort of full stop in a room. So lots and lots of colour, maybe in fabrics, etc. And maybe you do the furniture in quieter ways with just a little bit of pattern. It's so many different ways, but colour is what it is all about, and that's why I totally love it.
Knowing when to stop is really tricky because some things, less is more. So for example, this piece, just having one bold motif in the middle was perfect and no more. Whereas this piece, more is definitely more, and kind of adding more detail really tied it together. So it depends from piece to piece. And Coco Chanel said always take one thing off before you leave the house. So think about that when I'm creating, because you can kind of go overboard, and it's just knowing to pull back.
People often ask me what is my most popular colour, and it's really hard because actually it depends on the year, whether we've just brought out a new colour, but there are perennials that keep coming out again and again. So it's probably all the blues, pale blues, dark blues, everything, all blues. People love blue. Also, we've just brought out a colour called Jaipur Pink, which has suddenly got everybody going, yes, Jaipur Pink, and brought Antoinette back into people's thoughts and ideas. Greens are always popular because greens are very calming and really, really kind. And Capability Green is a relatively new colour for us, so that's come out. I love all greens, and Antibes is my favourite. Also love to see all those sort of paprika-y red colours, which actually Bell's used, which are beautiful.
What details matter most are the base colours, because they are going to be the most prominent colour. Kind of final details of a piece, the kind of the smaller little embellishments, they really bring the piece together and tie everything in at the end.
So when people first start painting with my paint, they sometimes go a little bit safe. And I would say just step out slightly from your comfort zone. So if you're really very happy with beiges and things like that, try a little bit of colour. If you're quite happy with the colour, try a little bit of texture. Or maybe you could try a little bit of pattern. It's just something simple. And if you think, I can't paint, don't worry about it. Go back to how you were when you were 5 and you were just scribbling and you were doing doodles. It's all in there. Find it and get into that part of you and get into the zone. It's wonderful and free.
My favourite piece from the collection is probably these two. This coffee table is one of my favorites just because Frida Blue is just the most incredible color, and it's a dominant color of this piece, and I just think it really sings. And then I think the most unusual one is the 70s cabinet, just because it's something a bit different that you don't see every day.
Which piece is my favorite? I don't know which I would say, because I absolutely love every one. I think they are absolutely fantastic. I love this piece, which is inspired by Joseph Frank, fantastic. I think this just brings me total joy. But this piece here, I just love. Partly because I love bureaus. I think bureaus are fabulous. I love the way that it's got hearts. I love the color combination, the Jaipur pink and the paprika red, gorgeous capability. I just love it.